Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a proud Suzuki Swift owner or just a fan of this compact and stylish car, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share some essential tips and tricks to keep your Swift running smoothly and looking its best. Let's get started. First up, engine maintenance. Regular oil changes are key to keeping your Swift's engine in top condition. Make sure to use high-quality engine oil and replace it every 5,000 to 7,500 kilometers. Also, don't forget to check the air filter. A clean filter ensures better fuel efficiency and performance. Now let's talk about the exterior. To keep your Swift looking like new, wash it weekly with a gentle car shampoo. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage the paint. For that showroom shine, apply a good quality wax every 3 months. Next is tire care. Always check your tire pressure at least once a month. Properly inflated tires improve fuel efficiency and extend their lifespan. And don't forget to rotate your tires every 10,000 kilometers to ensure even wear. Moving on to the interior. Vacuum your car regularly to keep the cabin dust-free. Use a quality interior cleaner for the dashboard and seats, and don't forget to protect leather surfaces with a leather conditioner. Here are a couple of bonus tips. Always park in the shade or use a sunshade to protect your dashboard and seats from UV damage. And if you live in an area with harsh winters, make sure to wash off salt and road grime regularly to prevent rust. And that's it for today's video. Keeping your Suzuki Swift in great shape doesn't have to be complicated. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with other Swift enthusiasts. See you in the next one.